I rise today to speak for millions of Zimbabweans, vendors, pensioners, civil servants, who are being unfairly penalized just for checking how much money they have in their account. In today's Zimbabwe, it is not a thief on the street, but the banking system itself that robs the poor quietly, one balance inquiry at a time. Number one, Honorable Speaker, a basic service turned into a luxury. Let us be honest, checking your balance should be free. It is the basic as opening your wallet to count your cash. But here in Zimbabwe, banks and mobile money platforms charge between 180 ZiG to 350 ZiG, or about 15 cents to 30 cents US dollars, just to check your balance via USD. Take Ecocash and One Money examples. Both platforms charge about 290 as of June 2025 for a simple USD balance inquiry. Traditional banks like CBZ, POSB, and ZB Bank also impose similar fees, especially for mobile or ATM balance checks. Now compare these to other countries, Honorable Speaker. In South Africa, major banks like FNB, Capitec offer free balance inquiries via their application and USD platforms. In Botswana, mobile banking apps do not charge for balance inquiries, and ATMs allow customers to check balances at no cost. These countries understand that financial inclusion means reducing barriers, not charging the poor for the right to know what belongs to them. Point number two, Honorable Speaker, a tax on poverty. Mr. Speaker said this charge is not just a fee, it is a tax on poverty. Let me give you an example. A domestic worker earning $50 per month might check their balance 5 to 6 times to confirm payments, especially after airtime or rent is deducted. That's nearly dollar gone. Lost to checking, not spending. That dollar could buy 2 loaves of bread or pay for a round trip of public transport in some areas. The majority of Zimbabwe using mobile money platforms are the unbanked or low-income earners, people who rely on Ecocash, One Money Transfer, or ZP Smart. Every inquiry charge chips away at their already stretched income. This is a hidden burden on the poor, a silent penalty for being careful with money. It undermines financial trust and participation. Government and banks encourage citizens to embrace digital banking and mobile money for transparency, convenience, and security. But how can we build trust in digital finance when every action is monetized? People are now afraid to check their own balances. Instead, they prefer to guess or revert to keeping cash at home, which increases security risk and weakens financial inclusion. Worse still, these charges discourage low-income earners from using formal systems. This undermines national goals like cashless economy and domestic resources mobilization. My call, Honorable Speaker, let's end exploitation and promote inclusion. This Parliament must act. I call on the Minister of Finance and Economic Development and Investment Promotion to immediately abolish all charges on balance inquiries across all banking and mobile platforms, especially for USD and mobile apps users. Enforce transparency in service fee structures, requiring all banks and mobile money providers to disclose charges clearly. Number three, benchmark Zimbabwean banking policies against regional best practices to protect consumers from excessive services costs. Additionally, I urge the Reserve Bank of Zimbabwe to include this issue in financial inclusion policy review and consumer protection regulation. As I conclude, Honorable Speaker, this is about justice. Mr. Speaker said this is not just about fees, it is about dignity. It is about trust. It is about building an economy where even the poorest citizen is treated with fairness. If our neighbors can offer free balance checks, so can Zimbabwe. Let us remove this selling tax. Let us stop punishing people for managing their money wisely. Let us build a Zimbabwe that works for all, not just for banks and telecoms giants. I so submit. Thank you.
Thank you, Honorable Tsvangirayi. The question before the House, a motion by Honorable Tsvangirayi, is set forth on page 1983 and 1984 of today's order paper. Is there any debate? I recognize the Honorable Tsvangirayi to adjourn the debate.
I move that the motion now be adjourned.
Who seconds?
I second.
It has been moved that the debate be now adjourned. Is there any debate? I put the question that the debate be now adjourned. Those who are of that opinion will say aye. Those of the contrary opinion will say no. I think the ayes have it. The ayes have it. The question is accordingly affirmed, and the debate is adjourned. To what date, Honorable Tsvangirayi?
So tomorrow, 24th of July.
Thank you, Honorable Tsvangirayi.